Looks like they're right here. Hello, it's been a while. If you are some of the people that actually do watch my videos, welcome back and thank you. If you're just stumbling across this, hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. You can find me at NYC's Fishing on YouTube and NYC's on Instagram. This is some old footage. This is the fall run in around November. Ryan York fishing right off Westechester Beach Club, if you're familiar. Actually going to Florida on Sunday for a while. Doing some family time down there. Bringing my kayak, do some charter fishing, play some golf. Really excited to get down there and make some more content. So figured I'd get this out in the meantime. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. And even if you don't, please like and subscribe. There we go. Little runt. There he goes. Thank you if you made it this far. Both of my social media tags can be found at the end of this video. Please give me a follow, like, and subscribe.